That's just the sub. Oh man. Woo! Is that good?
Yeah, you're good.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is John Baginski. I got two ZV5 18s on a Terramps 12K. Yep.
The box specs, do you know what's tuned to and peaking at?
I'm peaking at 41.
Okay.
I don't know exactly what it's tuned to.
So you've done a lot of roof work and panels, everything sealed.
That's all Triple B Customs, Bubba Brewer.
Okay.
I believe you know him.
Yeah, I've seen them. All right. Wow. Nice box too.
Thank you.
Have you metered it yet?
Yeah.
How'd it do?
159.
Really awesome. That's good. What are you peaking at frequency wise?
41.
41? All right.
You
Sweet.
want me to give you a song or do you want me to give you a 41?
Whatever's loudest. I like loud songs. Whatever you know is loudest at your peak.
This is a good one.
Okay, sure.
Actually, you know what?
Window?
Can I
Yeah.
put that window up?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
All right.
Whatever's loudest on driver's passenger side is usually best.
Spilling this. Just south beaches, surfboard and high tide. I can just it's wretched and hold up. I feel work is wretched. Going down for it.
Turn it down. You're smoking.
Send it too hard to Jacob.
That's just the sub. Oh man. Woo! I've seen a lot of stuff smoke and not be blown though, so well, holy crap. Dude, you must have been hitting it hard, man.
It's done.
Woo!
Now, in the subs.
Have you been having sub issues or was it? Man. How hot is it? That's a little warm, yeah.
You think I should spray in there? They're burning.
Nah, hold up.
Don't spray?
Relax.
I was gonna say, do you have any low test tunes?
Nah, not if it's got a shorter flow.
Stretches, hold up. I feel bucket stretches, hold up. I know you can't escape. If you afraid, then come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open and see. This is going down for it.
Turn it down. You're smoking.
Send it too hard to Jacob.
That's just the sub. Oh man. Woo! I've seen a lot of stuff smoke and not be blown though, so holy crap. Dude, you must have been hitting it hard, man.
It's done.
Woo!
Now, there's the subs.
Have you been having sub issues or was it? Man, how hot is it? That's a little warm, yeah.
You think I should spray in there? They're burning.
Nah, hold up.
Don't spray?
Relax.
I was gonna say, do you have any low test tunes? Play a low test.
Nah, not if it's got a shorter 12.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.